Did you punch?
No, I didn't hit no one. I don't remember nothing. I don't know what anyone
was. Why does he have his?
I don't know.
Why does he got a bloody nose, man?
He talks a lot of shit and he bullies me quite often. But if I hit him, I don't remember it.
Is clear revoked.
Okay.
Do you guys remember at all?
Don't let a petty dispute over a motorbike turn into a criminal record. In this bizarre case, a bike repair afternoon ended in punches and police intervention. From a legal perspective, committing battery because you feel bullied or due to a trespasser is not a valid legal defense, especially when the suspect is already on probable cause or probation. Let's analyze the thin line between self-defense and assault when mental instability begins to fracture.
2 from 1, just before you read this mail right here saying that
He punched the guy you're with and pushed down this female over here as well.
It's a battery charge. I'll be out in 1 hour.
What's going on, Daniel?
Let's book a cigarette real quick.
Yeah. What's going on today, man?
I got friends that come down here and bully me,
Yeah.
and I've just had too much of it.
Just want to
Too
sit down
much
and
bullying.
sit down and smoke a cigarette real quick, and we'll talk about it.
Sir, okay, I went over here to get some help with a former friend of mine that was supposed to be working on a motorbike. His girlfriend said it was all right to go in the shed, that he was sitting on the couch.
Okay.
All I did was sit down on the couch. He fucking hit me in my face. I didn't hit him once. I have a sprained arm. He's got my butt. He's gotten in the face. He's threw her on the ground.
Were you bleeding here?
Yeah, he hit me in my nose.
Let me grab that. You want an ambulance?
No, I'm fine. I need my other glasses arm that's in the shed too, and he's got also
Watch that 1 second.
motorbike hit over there right now. I would like to press charges for stolen property and then Denver.
What's your relationship with him? Just friend?
Yeah,
Not
good
roommates
friend.
or nothing?
No. I came down to see if he'd help me with my rest of my motorbike. I gave him my motor the other day, and he was supposed to give me work done on this other one I got down there now, but my 29 inch is all fucked up. It's all bent. The other arm is right there in his shed on the floor somewhere around the tools or something. I don't know where it's at exactly. It's somewhere on that front floor in there. I know he's got pieces and stuff all in there.
What's your last name, man?
I'm on probation and stuff.
How do you spell that?
I'm just frustrated because, like
What's
I
your
said,
phone number?
I don't even got one, man.
Can you hang out by these people over here so I can go
I
talk
ain't
to
gonna
them?
be in no trouble, am I? I didn't do nothing wrong.
No. It sounds like everyone over here is saying that he punched him and pushed the
He's
girl.
got my bike's over here too, my motor.
Is he in the back?
I don't know. He's been hitting his girlfriend and everything else.
What's going on, man? Our body cams are on too. So.
That's fine.
Who's your girlfriend?
I believe my dad had murdered because I was showed a skeleton without a skull
Which one is that? One of them your girlfriend?
out by Mackinac Bridge on the left-hand side of the guardrail. I was showed a skeleton without a skull by.
All right. Did you punch?
No, I didn't hit no one. I don't remember nothing. I don't know what anyone.
Why does he have his?
I don't know.
Why does he got a bloody nose, man?
He talks a lot of shit and he bullies me quite often. But if I hit him, I don't remember it.
Is clear revoked.
Okay.
Do you guys remember at all?
Where's your
No?
Where's your
Yeah,
girlfriend
shake your
at?
head no.
Where's your girlfriend at?
Oh, right there.
In the gray?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go talk to her real quick.
You come over here.
I'll be back in a second. Hi. Are you mom?
Yep, unfortunately.
All right. My body cam's on. What's going on? Does she not want to talk with me?
He needs help. She's probably scared to death of him.
Okay. Where does she go?
She went in the house.
Okay. Does she not want to talk to me?
I don't know.
Okay. What happened?
I came out here because Daniel come running in the house saying he just beat shit out of somebody.
Okay.
I come outside to see what was going on. And some kid that's here all the time with him that I thought was a friend, they were fighting.
Okay.
And I couldn't get the kid to leave.
Okay. Did you see Brandon push her at all?
Brandon pushed her.
Oh, I'm sorry, not Brandon. Daniel. Did he push her at all?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did he push her?
I don't know, because he thinks he's fucked up.
Okay. Well, thank you.
If you open that door, the police are going to talk to you. I'll be right back. Grab a cigarette.
How are you? Can we talk on the side of the house here?
Yeah.
Cool, thank you. My body cam's on too, just so you know, okay?
Huh?
My body cam's on.
Okay,
What's going on?
I don't live here.
You're Nicole, right? Or Dan, right?
I was gonna say, who's Nicole?
Nicole, I don't know why I keep calling you Nicole, but
I live in Peoria, and I didn't come yesterday for my son's birthday. He died, so I normally go to the graveyard. Well, I brought her some food, and I was talking to Daniel. Things erupted. I wasn't.
Would you be able to grab him some like shoes or sandals or something so he can throw on?
Do you know where any of his shit's at out there?
I wasn't out here for the main event. Yeah, but
Okay.
I was in there. Like I said, I came and I brought her some stuff. She didn't even know I was coming. Nobody knew I was coming. I just pop in whenever. And
You're good. You can continue. He's upset. We can come over here. It's alright.
they're blaming me. He's blaming me. It's not me.
So what happened? What? So I was told he was pushing you and stuff.
He was hugging me.
Hugging?
Yeah, he was
But he
hugging
didn't
me.
push you?
No.
Okay.
No, he did not hit me. He did not. See if you can tell, there's no marks.
Yeah.
Trust me, if he did, I would be telling you.
Okay.
I don't put up with that shit. But I can't tell you that he hit him because I wasn't here for that.
What's your last?
No, he asked, and I do know this. He asked Brandon to leave 4 times and would not leave. And then was bossing him around, telling him, and Daniel's mental status is rocky. Well, I'm not holding up for him, and I'm not holding up for him, but I heard didn't say something, and I heard something, boom, you know, and then I heard Daniel come back. So I don't know if, and then there's the first one to throw. I can't tell you either or because I did not visualize
So his mom is saying that he pushed you.
Well, if you're talking about push, you talk about push, I talk about push that way, not like as hovering and a force hug.
So why was he doing that? Okay.
Off his record because he thinks is my son.
Okay.
I had a son.
Your girlfriend?
No, I used to be.
Your ex-girlfriend?
Yeah,
Okay.
I used to be. My son died. Well, he's got a friend named.
Okay.
And he needs to be seen by a doctor. I mean, if you guys can hold him, but I'm not gonna say some things that's not true for you guys to keep him. I'm not gonna do that. But I'm not gonna lie and say he didn't do it so he can get out. I'm not gonna do that.
1871,
tell you this.
1871.
He does need to be held.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it. Yeah.
But he also got me on the phone. So I can't, like I said, I can't tell you who did what.
Okay.
But if you need shoes, I can get a shoe.
If you wouldn't mind, please. You can just run them over here. So now that things have cooled off a little bit, so are you sure you don't want an ambulance or nothing?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine.
So what did you need from over there?
I need my 29 inch that's busted now. Well, here, let's walk over here. I'll show you what I got. The one that's right there in front of the shed that he slammed down on the ground, and then that was what he was supposed to fix for me today for the 80cc motor that I gave him the other day.
Okay.
And he never did that, and so I came down today for him to do that, and then
So what started all this?
I don't know. He told me it was alright to come in the house or whatever and for him to fix my bike, and then he just flipped the fuck out, hit me in my face, and put me in a headlock, and I walked away from the shed or whatever, and out of the shed.
Hold on, relax, man, relax.
He's not here. You have no reason to be here. Leave.
I'll take care of it, man. I get why you're pissed, man. I'll get it taken care
He
of.
damaged my front tire on my 29 inch back there. And that's when he hit me in my glasses and everything. But she was right here the whole time. She got down to the ground.
He's harassing me over there.
Yeah, she hit him in the ground.
Do you know anything about the property that he has?
Yeah, I have a motor that's in that garage, and then
Right there.
that's mine, and then that's over here is mine too. But he damaged.
Let me go.
Did you find my glasses,
Hold on,
Norm?
hold on.
No,
Brandon.
I tried.
Before you take
he
anything, let me go
told
talk
to-
to her real quick, okay?
Yeah, that one's mine.
The son told me to leave.
Before you take anything, let me go talk to her real quick. Supposedly, that's what she said.
She don't need to come back. I'm not
do you
trespassing
guys-
if she comes back.
Do you know anything about the stuff that? And he's saying that he has like a motor and like a couple bikes back.
Take it all.
Okay. And are you? This is your place, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
Are you okay with that?
What?
Him getting his property and leaving?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, if it's his, take it.
Okay. Appreciate it. And they said you're good, man. All right. They said you're good. All right. And you said you do want to press charges on him?
Yeah, I would like to.
Okay. Yep.
They wanted to watch me put my hands on Don, and they couldn't get that. So now they're making up excuses. Like, gotta love your family. I didn't hit no one. I'll be out in an hour. You're gonna be placed under arrest for battery for now. Okay? Yeah. Place you back for him again. Not even arrested. Thank you, brother. Hour. Want to sneeze on?
Sure. I'll get you some, man. Where are they at? Yeah, that's fine. You can keep going. We're gonna walk to the front of my car, okay?
We're not hitting no one.
Two, I got one in custody. Right here, man. Right here. I'm just gonna search your face that way for me.
Nothing on there.
Nope. Alright, it's fine, man. As soon as I open the door, audio, video, the camera's kicking on, so you're gonna be audio, video record.
It's an hour in jail. Oh, he bullies me. I just got tired of it.
What? Can you explain?
I told him to get off the property because I didn't want him around. I told him to get off the property.
Real fast, just before we,
My mother even told him to get off the property several times.
I just have to have verbal affirmation that you understand the rights that I read you and that you do want to talk with me.
I have mental issues.
Okay. All right. I can't ask you any more questions, then, man. If you don't want to acknowledge it, it's okay. I'm gonna show this. Okay.
I don't see why he's back.
Huh?
I don't see why he's back.
He's getting his property and leaving.
His property is that bike. It was already back there in the backyard. He gave me the motor.
Yeah, he said that he wants.
Oh, he said. No, he gave me that motor. Or it wouldn't be on this property.
Are you living in the shed back there?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a living headquarters. Look it up on Google. It's got its own address. I happen to know someone's wife.
You know somebody's wife? What do you mean?
Oh, there's a picture of you on Facebook.
On me?
Yeah.
With a wife?
No, your wife got a picture of you on Facebook.
I don't have a wife.
No.
Yeah. I ain't got no ring.
That just means unfaithful. The motor's inside the bud. You gave it to me. You shit out of luck now. You can't expect somebody to help you out with one thing and expect them to do the last thing you said at the same time. And you can't bully someone around and step in their property while they're asleep and turn their light on. A false charge. I told him to leave. He didn't want to leave. I pushed him over, and that's what happened. You guys get your note I left you out front of the police station about 3 days ago? I've left a few notes out front of the police station.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I did. There was 3 of them.
What did it say?
Explaining how I didn't feel like I was safe because people tell me I'm going to go missing whenever they're around me. Yeah. And I had someone show me a skeleton. Yeah, I sat it on top of the brick wall out front.
I didn't get that agreement about it.
Well, it might still be up there.
Huh?
It may still be up there.
Where's that?
But I dropped it off and you guys have cameras, so.
Where's it at?
It's right where, not the, fuck, we're going in the garage, so. It's around the front of the building where they release you. Yeah, I set it on that brick wall.
Yeah, so it initially came out that you were pushing on Anna.
No.
Huh?
No.
What? No. She said it was you were having some sort of a mental episode and then you hugged her and that's all it was. So you're not getting in trouble for that, just so you know.
Came up and tried to get me to sleep with her and I wouldn't do it.
Who did? Is that like a new girlfriend or something?
No. So everyone trying.
Is Diane? Are you not?
I'm with.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah.
Is she living there?
She likes to play with emotions quite a bit.
Yeah. Yeah. That sounds like every other female. Who's the guy that lives next door?
It's my brother.
Is that your brother?
Yeah.
He don't seem to like her very much.
That's how they act. This is probably because she's back and forth.
Yeah. I think he might have thought you were getting in trouble because of her, but...
No, just that he fucks her too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And she's back and forth.
Is he older or younger than you?
Younger.
He's younger than you?
Yeah. They just all tend to think I don't know.
That she's been with him?
Yeah. But when someone says something in their sleep, you know, that tends to be when the truth comes out.
Yeah.
Oh, I won't fuck your brother again. What the fuck? You were sleeping when you said it.
Yeah, that's pretty wild.
Go and step on out, watch your head.
Misdemeanor, simple battery probation violation.